Welcome back to my channel, and today I'll teach you something. I'll show you how to generate an interrupt using a timer. I will use CubeMax to configure my ports. It helps to do easy configurations. I will use 7 segments to show increment from 0 to 9. In case of an interrupt, mark this one. In case of an interrupt, the 7 segment will count from 9 to 0. That's how I've configured it. I'm also using UVision to write my codes. One of the advantages of timer interrupts, the processor continues to handle other processes, so it does not interfere. It does not interfere with the operation of the processor. That's make it very important. So I'll take you directly to CubeMax. Just go click on this one. You can download it from STM website. From there it will take you to this page. From there, click on start my project, this one, and then select from here the kind of microcontroller you're using. From here I'm using STM32F103. So C8, I'm using this one. Click on that one, double click on it, and then it will take you directly to this page. From here, what you do, you have this small thing here, and if you want to configure a pin to an output or an input, just click on the pin on top, and then if it's an output, click on it, and it will configure everything directly. That's what makes it so easy. And for me, I've used so many pins. I've used all these pins, as you can see from this far end. I've used all these pins just to configure my 7 segment. So what you do, it's very easy. You just come to System Core. First of all, you come to System. This is the system clock, and select the debugger, serial wire. I'm using serial wire. Later take a reset and clock control. Click on it, and then select high speed crystal ceramic resonant. From there, come to clock configurations. Select the highest frequency, 72 megahertz. 72 megahertz. Click OK. Okay, that's fine. Go back to pinout configurations, and then you need now to configure your timer. It has 4 timers. I'll be using second timer tool, and from here select internal clock. Select on internal clock. From there, go to parameters. Select on parameters. Maybe push that one up. So here you have prescaler, and also you have a counter period, auto reload register. And this one, I'll show you why I select that one. I'll take 3.5. Take 35. Why is it not disturbing me? 35,999. And this one, I'll take a 60,000. This simply because I want a period of 30 seconds. So these are the calculations that I've done here. As you can see, prescaler, I've given it 36,000. That is from 0 to 35,999, which is 36,000. auto reset reload register 60,000, and this how you calculate for the time. So the frequency that we set was 72 megahertz divided by prescaler. Divide by prescaler, you get 2000 hertz. From here you take the period of this one, which is 1 over 2000 multiplied by 60,000, you'll get an interrupt. Interrupt will be occurring after every 30 seconds. And that's what you have done. From there you go to project manager, you give it a name. Just write it a name. Maybe interrupt, just write interrupt. From there, select, I'm using UVision, so I'll select on that one, UVision, I'm using 5. And then from there, project management, you have given it a name. Then you have to select something here called generator, copy only necessary files, click on it, and then generate your code. From there, it will take you to somewhere like to your UVision. Let's see. Take you to your UVision, and this is the generated. This is the generated code. Now I'll show you there are so many things that have been written inside that I was telling you before, like you should not worry so much about it. But I'll take you now directly to how you use this interrupt. First of all, let me take you directly to a notepad here. I've just reduced it. This is what I've done. You need this function. The function, you need it for the timer start. Then this one is for my BCD. You can just simply use an LED. You don't need all this function. You can declare an LED, but for me this one, I hope it's visible. The other thing is my for loop. This one is to help display from 0 to 9 in an increasing order. But when an interrupt has been developed, this is what happens. So you need to pick this one, write this function, and if this time has been reached, that's why you are calling your interrupt. If this time has been reached, this is what you should do. I've put an LED, this one of LED, to show that that time has been reached, and then show me the reverse. Display the number in a descending order in the LCD. That's what has happened. So you don't need all these functions that I've written here. These one, they are just for the LCD. These are to display on the LCD, so you don't need them for now. But you can just simply use an LED to show it going on and off when the function has been called. So you can simply blink an LED or toggle an LED, like what I've done here. You can simply use this one, only this one, and then only this one, and then you'll be able to see how the interrupt has been generated. So I'll take you directly on where you place those codes. So that one was just to show you. I'll take you directly in my int main. You say these ones you don't put them. This one they just come automatically after configuring. So this is what I showed you in my notepad. Have to put that one there, and then this one I've placed it in while loop to keep on repeating. But in case of my interrupt, let me show you my interrupt where I've placed it, what I've just shown you some minutes ago. My interrupt, here it is my interrupt. In case my interrupt has been called, this is what you should do. You have this one you can get it where it is located. Okay, that's fine. Let me show you something. This one you can get it from this library. You go to STM32F103C8T6. drivers STM, I must say this one, and from there you click on it, you'll be able to get this one, timer handler. So from here I can show you, I hope I've not left anything from that side. I'll just show you when 30 seconds are over how the numbers are being decreased. Just observe. Maybe I can reset it first. Okay, it starts after reset, it's called the interrupt, and it starts decreasing. You can observe. Then after interrupt has been handled, it starts counting as normal, and then it waits for 30 seconds. So you have to wait for 30 seconds and see what will happen. With that one you can count like 10 seconds. This one can be 20 seconds. And also observe my LED. What will happen, what I was telling you, have an LED here. After 30 seconds, what will happen? Oh, it has gone off. Then it has counted from, it has started decreasing. Oh, that's great. And that's how we have introduced an interrupt that is a separate module from the processor to handle certain functions when the certain time has been reached. I hope you have enjoyed. In case of any question, just drop it down. Thank you so much.